Yeah.
Yeah. Last time he bite me my finger. Next time he bite my finger. Uncle. Next time my baby bite my
What?
finger.
Oh wait, did you tell her to bite you on the finger? Maybe you told her.
No. Yeah.
Yeah. Let's take a look at your ears.
He's scared.
You'll be fine.
That will be fine.
Yeah, let's see. Oh, you want to go to mommy? Let's go to mommy.
That's all there.
Look at you. Let's go, mommy. Yeah, she does. Whoa, here we go. Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. There we go. You know, Auntie wants a little girl. Why don't Uncle
I know.
just take her home? Yeah. Yeah, I bet you she'd be tickled.
Yeah, she don't mind anyways.
This turn, no.
No.
No, yeah, you want you be your brother or sisters.
No.
Okay.
Give me that baby. It's
Okay. Okay, let's go back down.
Okay.
There
Come
we
on.
go. There we go. Okay.
Okay, David, sit right there, David.
Why don't you come here? I'll take a look
David,
at
sit
you.
right there. Okay.
Yeah. All right. Any owies or anything, buddy? In your
Yeah.
belly? Yeah. Where are you getting an owie?
I didn't remember.
Oh, let's see.
Oh,
Yeah,
just
you
that.
did. Yeah. Okay, let's take a look at your ears now. Okay. Any bugs in here? Huh? Mosquitoes? No. No, not on this side. Over here. See? No. Not on this side. All right. So, good. Okay, the tonsils are looking really good. So that's good. Your teeth look good. You see the dentist? Take you to the dentist? Yeah, that's good. All right, let's take a listen to your belly. And your heart. Yeah, let's read this one first. Ooh, ooh.
My big eye is so
And your
dummy.
belly. Good. Okay, take a deep breath. Okay, another one here. Good. Okay, sit there for a second. I'm gonna tap on your legs here. Okay. Yep. Okay. Just like that. Okay. Let's see. The jump. Whoa. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. Come on in. No, not me. Yeah. Whoa. Look at that. There we go. Okay. That's good. And let's look at your growth here, huh, buddy? Now, today,